positive real numbers x, y, and z, which of the following expressions is equivalent? And I'm going to write this a little bigger because you can barely see it on the paper. It's x raised to the 1/2, y raised to the 2/3, and then z raised to the 5/6. Well, what I want to do is I really would like to write these in this. I'd like to have a common denominator if I could. Okay? So when I have a common denominator, I think the common denominator of the powers of the fractions here would be 6, right? That would be the lowest common denominator. Well, z is in good shape. But I have to figure out a way to rewrite 1/2 in terms of 6. So to get the common denominator, I would multiply both the top and bottom by 3. So in other words, x to the 1/2 is the same as x to the 3/6. And over here I'd do the same thing. I'd multiply the top and bottom by 2. And so that would give me y is y to the 2/3 is the same as y to the 4/6. And then over here I have z to 5/6. Now what we need to remember is that I could write this as a radical, but I can factor out the 1/6. In other words, in the next line I could say x to the 3rd, y to the 4th, z to the 5th, all raised to the 1/6, right? And we're working backwards, right? Because what I would do normally if I was given this expression, I would distribute or multiply 1/6 times each of the powers in this term. But since we're working backwards, I'm factoring out the 6. Okay? Hold on one second, okay? And so because I have a fraction here, I can write this as the 6th root, right? Because this is the same as saying the 6th root of something. Well, what is it the 6th root of? X cubed, y to the 4th, z to the 5th. And so this is our final answer, which is D. God, I hate